How was your childhood?
Typical studios guy who may not be knowing the art of the the dunyadari, pampered by your parents type of a kid. I went to engineering college. And
So when did you meet for first time?
Yeah. I think in
First year
1988 was the first year. My friends will tease me like anything. She speaks English so faratedar. तेरा तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
But when was the first time that you saw a PC?
In the very first year in our college, the only one room in the whole college will be air conditioned, right? It'll be the room where you have got PCs.
When was the first time that you really came across this term that there is something called data center?
There's an interesting story behind this. The person who introduced me to the term data center and got me into this business is none other than Mr. Mukesh Ambani. The person is a voracious reader himself. Any business he comes in, he may not know anything about it. He will read everything so much, right, that if you talk to him 1 year after he's entered into a line, he will be much more knowledgeable than you in that industry.
When did that aspiration come really? And when you saw that, okay, this is something as a business which you would want to get into?
In Reliance, during those 2001, it was possibly the first among the first 3-4 data centers we made, and a data center of 2 megawatt or a 4 megawatt used to be a very big thing at that time.
When did you come across this, the fancy term, GPUs?
India has all the startup ecosystem. India possibly have the biggest data sets availability. Obviously, you'll have to figure out how to do it. And India also has possibly the most higher number of use cases. So everybody could figure out. What India does not have is GPUs.
Did you get this from industry or from that what you are trying to aim for is impossible?
Yeah. I've heard of the term, ek Sunil Gupta kya kar lega. August 23, Jensen Huang came to India to meet Prime Minister. And Jensen said that, sir, I have a natural affinity for India. I have been coming to India for the last 5 or 6 years, somewhere to make somebody as my partner who can take my chips and build a cloud, but nobody is doing. People give me promises, people do press release with me, but nobody moves forward. And I got a call the same that night from his team in India that, Sunil, would you like to come and meet Jensen in Pune? Press releases came in the next 7-8 days of NVIDIA tying up with Jio and Tata. A press release with Yotta never came. Again, the same trigger. You feel I cannot do it, I will now prove I can do it. And I just texted a WhatsApp to NVIDIA Vishal that, Vishal, I want to place an order for 16,000 GPUs. Let me know if you want to do business.